This video will help you get started using PocketLab with Windows 10 devices. First, go to the Windows Store and navigate to the PocketLab app. You should see this screen. Install the app on your device. Next, go to Bluetooth Settings. Under Settings, click Devices and then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. You'll then see a list of Bluetooth devices that have previously paired with your Windows 10 device before. You'll need to get your new PocketLab onto this list. The first time you connect PocketLab, you'll need to do a traditional Bluetooth pairing. Press the top button on the PocketLab sensor to begin pairing. You'll see the LED lights flash red and green. On the screen, you'll then see the option to pair to your new device with the PocketLab serial number listed. Click on the new device, choose Pair, and enter 000 if a PIN or code is required. Your Windows 10 device will then establish a connection with the PocketLab. You'll only need to do this the first time you are pairing a new PocketLab. You will now be able to pair this PocketLab directly from the PocketLab app. You're now ready to launch the PocketLab app. You can search PocketLab in the Start screen to find the app. The first time you launch the PocketLab app, a window will ask for permission to access the device. Click Yes, and Yes again. You won't see this window again when using this PocketLab. Next, pair the PocketLab in the app by pressing the top button on the PocketLab. The PocketLab will automatically pair in the app by either clicking Pair with the nearest PocketLab or by simply bringing the PocketLab close to the Windows 10 device. Once connected, the PocketLab will automatically begin streaming data in the acceleration graph screen. As you move the PocketLab with respect to Earth's gravitational field, you will see the acceleration data plotted in real time along the different PocketLab axes. To change the sensor data being displayed, press the Graph button in the upper left of the screen. A menu of the different available graphs will display. You can select up to 2 graphs to view simultaneously. Here, we switch to magnetic field by selecting it in the graph menu. The magnetic field graph will now begin streaming data. To view 2 graphs at once, select the 2 graph option in the graph menu. You can then select up to 2 graphs to stream data at the same time. To select units, press the ruler button in the upper right of the screen. A menu will appear for each graph with the different unit options. Select the units you wish to use. To change the data rate of the sensors, press the speedometer gauge button in the upper right of the screen. You can toggle between slow, medium, and high data rates. To begin an experimental recording, select the orange record button on the bottom of the screen. The graph will clear and sensor data will begin recording in real time. To stop a recording, select the Stop button at the bottom of the screen. You will then enter into a review mode. From here, you can review the data in the app, export the raw data as a CSV file, or take snapshots of the graph. To review the data, you have options to zoom in and out and select different data points. These options work through both a touch interface and with a trackpad or mouse. You can pinch and zoom and scroll through the data. To view the value of a selected data point, use the mouse cursor to hover over it. Press the Share icon to export data as a CSV file or to export an image of the current graph in the screen. Once you have completed your exporting and your data review, you can press the Clear button to begin displaying new sensor data. To disconnect the sensor, press the top button and the recording will stop. You can also exit out of the app and the sensor will disconnect automatically. That's how you use the PocketLab app on Windows 10. Questions? Send us an email or post to our forum.